Let's get started with this French toast recipe. We have our stale bread ready, along with a rack to set the bread on. And we're going to start off with 1 cup of half and half. Pour it into the bowl, along with 3 eggs. We're going to crack them right on in. And then after that, we add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, it helps if the honey is warmed up a little bit. You can do this either in the microwave or soak the honey a little bit. Helps it flow a little better, be a little more fluid consistency. And then also a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna stir this custard mixture up until it's a relatively even consistency, a homogeneous liquid throughout. It's okay if there are a few egg strands. Those will come out when you dip the French toast bread in, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, now that the custard is made, also you could make it the night before it if you wanted to. It would be a great time to set out your bread to stale. We're gonna put the bread in and dip it for 30 seconds on each side. We don't want it to over soak and get soggy, but we do want it to absorb enough custard where the custard can get to the core of the bread. So we want to do 30 seconds each side, no more, no less. And then we're going to rest all of our soaked bread custard pieces on a rack for about 2 minutes so that the bread can really absorb the custard and the custard can get to the center of the bread. After we've had the bread sitting and resting on the rack, soaking up the custard, we want to cook it in the pan after applying a liberal amount of butter to the pan. And we want to put them on each side 2 to 3 minutes till both sides are golden brown. So here we'll have it on one side. We fit about 2 on each on a pan. And then we'll flip it once the one side's golden brown and let the other side cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And here the egg and the custard laying on top will definitely help change the color of the French toast a little bit. And after this, we shall stick our French toast slices in the oven to make them extra crispy on the outside with a nice custardy center. Now that our slices are golden brown on each side after cooking in the pan, we've had our oven preheated to 375, and we're gonna let our French toast pieces toast in the oven and get extra crispy on the outside for another 5 minutes. And after that, they'll be ready for us to take out, and we can slap them on a plate and serve with maple syrup, whipped cream, fruit, anything you desire.